You might have heard or seen up on our waiting room presentation that we offer therapy intensives. And parents often ask me, so I like to review this topic about once a year. What is a therapy intensive and what's the purpose of it? So, a therapy intensive is an intensive number of days and hours of treatment in a short period of time. So, typically, we will do intensives. Some of them are 3 days, some of them are 5 days, some of them are 2 weeks. It really depends on the client and their needs. But we have several families that maybe during the holidays they're going to be gone. So they're only going to be here for a couple of weeks of the holiday time. So, and they don't want to miss out on that therapy time. So we tend to offer intensives so that they can get a lot of therapy at one time to hold them over. We also have families that frankly don't have services in their area. So we offer intensives and they come in here from out of area and they stay at a hotel, and we coordinate all those services for them, and we follow up with them virtually, which we're very able to do in today's society with the internet, and they come back multiple times a year for intensives. So it's a great opportunity. Several of our families are in a situation where they have extra visits that they're not going to use up by the end of the year that are very nominal cost to them or even nothing. And so they really want to have that opportunity to have focused time to achieve a skill set that maybe during the week and with sicknesses and all the things that go on in regular life, they haven't been able to have that focused time to work on that skill. And an intensive allows us to really do that. It also allows us to coordinate services with multiple disciplines. So you could be having OT, PT, and speech in an intensive and do a longer period of time. Now, typically, depending on your coverage, that can be a little dicey with speech, but definitely with OT and PT, we're able to do a longer period of time for you. And generally the funding sources will reimburse for that. So that is what an intensive is. So it allows you to have some flexibility to work on a skill, maybe that we're really struggling to accomplish in our regular 1 hour session. It also allows you to make up for sicknesses, lost time, holiday timeout, or like I said, we have people coming from other states and all over the Texas area just because we're able to provide that intensive model and do that follow-up. So if you're interested in doing an intensive, please reach out to the front desks. All of our therapists are trained to do these and know how to coordinate them and how to really package a nice treatment model for you for that time. So definitely reach out. We are booking them now. We tend to get busy because parents are really wanting to be able to provide that service for their kiddos in that structure in the time that they're out for holidays.